Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you allow your friend to create a server with you in Roblox. So at first just go to your Roblox app. Now click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now just scroll a bit and click on settings. Now click on privacy, the third option. Now just scroll again, and in the last other settings option, the first one is who can make me a member of their private server. Just click on it and select the first one, everyone. And that's how you can allow your friend to create a server with you in Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.